Welcome to our channel where today I'll guide you through the exact steps to verify your Houzz professional account so you can maximize your presence and trustworthiness on this popular platform. Welcome to our channel where verifying your Houzz professional account is easier than you think. First, you need to log into your Houzz professional profile using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings where the verification option is located. Look for the section labeled Professional Verification or similar wording. The next step is to prepare your professional credentials. Houzz usually requires proof of your business such as a business license, tax identification number, or proof of insurance. Upload these documents in the appropriate section following the guidelines given. Make sure your uploads are clear and legible. After submitting your documents, the verification process will begin, which can take a few days. During this phase, Houzz reviews your paperwork to confirm your business legitimacy and eligibility. If additional information is needed, be ready to respond swiftly to any requests from Houzz support to avoid delays. Once approved, your Houzz profile will display a verified badge, enhancing your credibility and attracting more clients. Remember to keep your account information up to date to maintain your verification status and benefit from trusted business advantages on the platform. Verifying your Houzz professional account is a vital step to standing out and gaining confidence from potential clients seeking reliable professionals on Houzz.